Idioms and phrases are an essential part of the English language. Idioms are expressions that have figurative meanings, often different from the literal meanings of the words used. These expressions are used to convey a message in a more creative and interesting way. Phrases, on the other hand, are a group of words that work together to convey a single idea. In English, idioms and phrases are used in everyday conversation, writing, and literature. They add color and depth to the language, allowing speakers to express themselves in unique and imaginative ways. While idioms and phrases may seem confusing to non-native speakers, they are an important aspect of mastering the English language. Learning idioms and phrases can also help non-native speakers better understand the cultural context of the language. Many idioms and phrases have roots in historical events, literature, or popular culture, making them an integral part of English-speaking societies. It's important to note that idioms and phrases can vary from region to region, so it's essential to familiarize oneself with the specific idiomatic expressions used in different English-speaking countries. In conclusion, idioms and phrases are a fascinating and integral part of the English language. They add richness and diversity to the way we communicate, and understanding them is crucial for anyone looking to become proficient in English. So, next time you come across an unfamiliar idiom or phrase, don't be afraid to explore its meaning and origin. You'll be surprised at how much you can learn about the language and the culture it represents.